Let's dive into troubleshooting your network connectivity. Begin by accessing the command prompt. Navigate to the search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted, confirm the action by clicking Yes. Once in the command prompt window, execute the command ipconfig flushstands to clear the DNS resolver cache. Follow it up with netsh winsock reset to reset the winsock catalog. These commands help rectify common network issues like DNS resolution errors and socket inconsistencies. Now let's configure your DNS settings. Open the Network Connections window by searching for View Network Connections. Identify your active network adapter, right-click on it, and choose Properties. Within the adapter properties, locate Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and select Use the following DNS server addresses. Input 8.8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS server. Then click Oklahoma to save the changes. To ensure Windows Defender isn't hindering network connections, search for Windows Defender and access its settings. Navigate to Firewall Network Protection, then Advanced Settings. Create a new inbound rule allowing ports 49152-6, 5535 and name it Rainbow. Lastly, perform a network reset by searching for Network Reset and selecting Reset Now. Confirm the reset and restart your computer to apply the changes. This comprehensive approach should address various network issues and restore connectivity.